good morning students. It is a computer science class of grade 11. The lesson name is dictionaries. Question number 7, first division, right? Okay. So my question is, you see in this session I am going to ask you questions, you have to answer it, that's all. Clear? Okay. So a dict is a dictionary or not? You tell me. You just guess and tell me a dict is a dictionary or not. Okay, let me tell you. Can you see a flower bracket? And at the end, can you see closing flower bracket? Okay. If you see such flower bracket means, yes, it is a dictionary. You can guess it is a dictionary. Okay. I will tell you one more point. What point? Okay. So, this is called key. Can you see green color names? Okay. This green color names are called as keys. And this 1, 2, 10 are called as values for the corresponding keys. In the 1 அப்படிங்கிறது பாவனா உடைய key. In the 2 அப்படிங்கிறது ரிச்சார்ட் உடைய key. Okay. So this 10 is the value for this Firoza key. Understand students? Okay. Then for every set of keys and values, in between there is a separator called comma. Understand? Okay. So a dictionary என்ன இருக்கணும்? Starting la flower bracket, ending la flower bracket, then key இருக்கணும், then values இருக்கணும், then key க்கும் value க்கும் நடுவுல என்ன இருக்கணும்? Colon. Then every set of key and values separate பண்றதுக்கு you have to use comma. Understand? So this is simply called as dictionary. Clear? Okay, done. Then what? Now the second question. What is the value of sum? The very toughest question. You tell me. Yes, the sum value is 0. Okay, fine. So this is called as for loop. This is called as for loop. Still now, so many of you don't know what is called for loop. Okay. Okay, can you tell me? Just pause the video and tell me what is called for loop. Okay, first of all, tell me what is called loop. Okay, first of all, tell me what is called loop. Okay, so loop means a line or a set of line will be executed again and again. Loop means executed again and again. That is called as loop. Understand, students? That means this line, okay, you see a for loop irukka? Okay, can you see this for loop? Okay, because of this for loop, this line, okay, is in control of for loop. இங்க பாருங்க, இந்த print sum இருக்குல்ல, okay, இது வந்து for loop உடைய கண்ட்ரோல்ல கிடையாது. ஏனா இதோடைய பவரும் ஈக்குவலா இருக்கு. Can you see here? ஈக்குவலா இருக்கு. But the sum is equal to sum plus value. This is under the, because of the space, sum equal to sum plus value is under the control of for. Understand? Okay. I told you loop means it will execute it again and again. Okay. For loop means, okay. So in the loop or technical name it's called for loop. For loop also a particular statement will execute again and again. Okay. Which line? Yes. This line will be executed again and again. Okay. எத்தனை வாட்டி execute ஆகும்? Sum equal to sum plus value will be executed so many times. How many times? சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Okay, let me tell you. So for value in a dict dot values. Okay. First of all, you should tell me what is called a dict. A dict na enna? Okay, a dict means from the flower bracket, starting bracket up to the end. Okay. Okay. So idhula a dict odia values, you see they are telling that a dict dot values, that means a dict dot values means what? 1 is the a dict value, 2 is the a dict value, 10 is the a dict value, and at last 20 is the a dict value. Understand? Okay. So a dict odia values enna சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Close your eyes and say yes. 1, 2, 3 ah? No, no. 1, 2, 10 and 20. Got it? Okay. So listen here. So this 1, 2, 10 and 20 are the values of 8 digit. Got it? Understand? Okay. Enna irukuna value. Okay. This value will receive the first value. Okay. இது இங்க இருந்து அப்படியே கட் ஆயிட்டு இந்த வேல்யூ நேரா சேர்ந்துரும். Okay. So listen carefully. Here one will be there. No. This is transferred to this value. Okay. So value what a value is nothing but 1. Okay. Right. I told you this line will be executed again and again. Okay. I told you this line will be executed again and again such that சரி இப்போ என்ன ஆகும் பார்க்கலாமா? Okay. Let me see just a minute. Okay, what will happen? Sum is equal to sum plus value. Okay, sum is equal to sum plus value. Okay, fine. Okay, இந்த value இருக்குல்ல, இந்த value ஓட value என்ன? Yes, 1. Okay, value ஓட value என்ன? Value ஓட value 1. Got it? Okay. What is the sum value? Greatest question. Sum value is what? 0. So sum value is 0. Okay. So 0 plus 1, what is the value? It is nothing but 1. So இப்ப sum ஓட value என்னன்னா 1. Got it? Okay. I told you this line will be executed again and again. Okay. So இப்ப என்ன ஆகும்னா இது முடிஞ்ச வாட்டி it will go here. Okay. So value it will take, you see, it will take the next value. It will take the next value. So 2 will be transferred to the value. Okay, value or value na 2. Then now you tell me once again sum plus value. Now tell me what is the value is 2. Got it? Okay, value or value is 2. Okay. Now tell me what is the value of sum. Sum odia value enna? Sum value last time we see that sum value is 1. Okay, so here we have to write 1. Okay. So 1 plus 2 it is nothing but yes 3. Super, great answer. Okay, fine. So now the sum value is 3. You see last time sum value is 1. Now the sum value is 3. Okay, fine. So I told you this line will be executed again and again and again, so that from here it will go for the next loop. Okay, so value. So value means what? It will take the next value. Okay, it will take this 10 value and this will be erased, and now value will be value or value na? Yes, it is 10. Okay, so here you can write sum plus value. Okay, the same sum plus value I am writing here. Okay, fine. Value what a value enna? It is, yes, tell me. Yes, it is 10. Super. Then sum, last time sum what a value enna? Yes, it is 3. Okay, fine. This is exactly 3. And 3 plus 10 it is nothing but it is 13. Super. Okay, fine. Then so this line is again and again will be executed. So once again it will go here value. Okay, so value what a value will be penna? Yes, this value will be taken and it will absorb this value. Okay, fine. So value or value na 20. Super. So it will come again here. Okay, so sum is equal to sum plus value. Okay, value or the value in it is, yes, it is 20. Okay, so here we can write 20. So sum or the value na, sum or the value I think last thing 13, right? Okay, so here we can write 13. Okay, so 13 plus 20, the answer is 43. Oh, I am so sorry. The answer is super. The answer is 33. Okay, fine. So finally the sum value is 33. Listen, once again it will go to value. the value will try to get something from here. The value will try to get something from here. Okay, see, நம்ம வந்து ஒருத்தங்கிட்ட கடன் கேட்குறோம். ஓகே, 10 ரூபா கேட்குறோம் கொடுக்குறான், 50 ரூபா கேட்குறோம் கொடுக்குறான், 1000 ரூபா கேட்குறோம் கொடுக்குறான். எப்போ நிறுத்துவோம்? எப்போ கொடுக்காம இருக்கணும் அப்போ தான் நிறுத்துவோம். இந்த சேம் வே வேல்யூ என்ன பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா, இந்த ஏடிக் டாட் வேல்யூஸ்லேருந்து வேல்யூஸ் கேட்டுக்கிட்டே இருக்கும். எப்போ நிற்கும் அப்படின்னா, எப்போ இங்கே சுத்தமாக காலி ஆகுதோ அப்போ என்ன ஆயிடும்? அப்போ ஸ்டாப் ஆயிடும். ஓகே, ஸோ இப்போ வேல்யூவோட வேல்யூ நத்திங், இப்போ எதுவுமே கிடைக்கல. ஸோ அன்ஃபார்ச்சுனேட்லி இட் ஹாஸ் நோ possible to continue the for loop. So this for loop will came to an end. Okay, இனிமே இந்த for loop இந்த லைன் execute ஆகாது. Right. Finally sum உடைய வேல்யூ என்ன? It is nothing but 33. Got it? Okay, fine. So print sum means what will be printed? It will print 33. Right? Okay. So I will run this program F5 and okay. The answer is 33. Got it? Got my point, my dear students? So listen, here I am just typing. So I am typing what I am typing. Here I am typing 2. Okay, one value just பண்ணிருக்கேன். So if I give F5 means one value will be increased. So the answer is 34. Okay. So here I am just typing 10. So that means what? 10 plus 2 plus 12. Okay, 12 plus 10, 22. 22 plus 20, it is 42. Am I right? Okay, fine. Then if I press F5 means the answer is 42. Got it? Got my point, my dear students? என்ன பண்ணுதுன்னா, values dictionary values எழுதிட்டு 1 by 1 sum பண்ணுது. Okay, so கடைசியா வந்து என்ன ஆன்சர் வருது அப்படின்னா, you got the answer 33. Easy? Okay, so like this in your 11th annual exam you will ask questions, you have to answer and you have to get pass. Okay, then only you will be promoted to 12th standard, right? Okay, so hope you understand. Shall we go for the next question? Okay, right. So we are opening the IDEA link, file, open, what to open, file, open, desktop. Okay students, so now we are going to see the dictionary question 7 part 2. Okay, as we all know that a dict is a dictionary. Okay, then what is the value of temp? What is the value of temp? Temp value is nothing. Okay, so here a for loop is there. Okay, so because of this for loop, this action block will be executed again and again and again. Okay, then what is a dict value? A dict value is nothing but from starting from here up to here. Usually I thought like that, but actually listen, a dict உடைய value இந்த flower bracket ல இருந்து இந்த end வரைக்கும் நினைச்சிட்டு இருந்தேன். But actually a dict அப்படினா என்னன்னா, it refers only the key. அதாவது பாவனா, ஃபிரோசா, ரிச்சர்ட் and அஷ்னோர். Okay, so இது மட்டும் தான் பாத்தீங்கன்னா it refers the a dict. Understand? they என்ன சொல்றாருன்னா, simply a dict அப்படினாலே it refers the a dict keys. Once again I will say, simply a dict means it refers only the a dict keys. Okay, so இதுக்கு நேரா நீ என்ன பண்ணனும்னா, இந்த கீ மட்டும் எழுதிக்கணும். பாவனா, ஃபிரோசா, ரிச்சர்ட், அஷ்னோர். மேக் ஷூர் தட் இதே ஆர்டர் இருக்குன்னு பார்த்துக்கோ. பாவனா, பாவனா, ஃபிரோசா, ஃபிரோசா, ரிச்சர்ட், ரிச்சர்ட், அஷ்னோர், அஷ்னோர். ஓகே, அதே ஆர்டர்ல இருக்கு. ஃபைன். ஸோ இப்போ கீ என்ன பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா, இட் வில் ரிசீவ் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வேல்யூ. ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் வேல்யூ வில் பி ரிசீவ்ட் பை த கீ. ஓகே, ஸோ கீ, ரைட். தென் if temp is less than key, key ஓட வேல்யூ என்ன? key value is nothing but bhavana. Okay, so key ஓட இடத்துல நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம்? we can put bhavana. And temp means what? It is nothing. So here we can put nothing. Okay, so nothing is small. Listen, nothing is small and bhavana is big. since this condition is true, okay, this line will be executed. Understand? So now what is the value of key? Key value is nothing but bhavana. Okay, so instead of key we can put bhavana. So if temp value is nothing but bhavana, right? Okay. So once again the control flow will go to here. The key enna pannuna, it will try to observe the next value. So in the value enna pannuna, try to observe inga irundhu kaanam poite இந்த keyக்கு நேரா வந்துரும். Okay, fine. So now the key value is what? Firoza. Now the key value is what? Firoza, right? Okay. Then key temp less than key. Temp less than key. So here we can put temp less than key. What is the key value? Key value enna appadina is nothing but Firoza. So inga nama enna pandromna, we can put Firoza. Here we can put Firoza. Okay, and temp, what is temp value? We know that last time temp value is nothing but bhavana. So here the temp value is also bhavana. Okay, so how to compare these two values? It's very simple. Listen carefully. You have to consider only the first character, no need to consider the remaining. You have to consider only the first character, no need to consider the remaining. This is second character, this is sixth character. Second character vandu second character, F is sixth character. Okay, so 2 is small, 6 is big. Yes, this condition is what? True. Okay, since this condition is true, this line will be executed. Temp is equal to key will be executed. Okay, okay. Now you tell me what is the value of key? What is the value of key? Key value is nothing but Firoza. So on the Firoza value, anga irundha enga vandurum indha eduthu key ku nera vandadum. Clear? Okay. So now the temp value is Firoza. Okay. Now the control flow will go to here. The key value is what? It will take the next value, Richard, and it will come here. Key value is nothing but Richard. Then if temp is less than key, temp is less than key means, once again I will type this one. Temp is less than, excuse me, temp is less than key. Key value is nothing but Richard, right? Okay, copy and here we can paste. What is the value of temp? Last time we saw temp is nothing but Firoza. Okay, so this Firoza will come here. Okay, fine. I told you, you should not consider this except the first character you should not consider. Except the first character you should not consider. Okay, F is what value? 6th value, and R means it is nothing but 18th value. Okay, so 6 is small and 18 is big. Of course, this condition is true or false? This condition is true. Okay, since this condition is true, okay, so this line will be executed. So temp is equal to key. Temp is equal to what? Key. Key value na? Key value is nothing but Richard. Okay, so control C and here it will be Richard. Got my point? Okay. So now the temp value is Richard. Once again it will go to here. What is the key value? The key will try to observe the next value. Okay, so it will observe the next value. So the key value is Ashno. Okay, right. Temp is less than key. Okay, the updating potukalam. Temp is less than key. What is the key value? Key value is nothing but Ashno. Okay, so key value is nothing but Ashno, and here Ashno. What is temp value? Temp value is nothing but Richard. So I told you should not consider these characters, and I told you should not consider these characters. Okay, so R, what is the value of this one? R value is 18 and A value is nothing but 1. Okay, since 18 is small and 1 is big, this condition is true or false? Yes, it is false. So false means this line will not be executed. It will go for the next round. Okay. Key. The key enna panna once again it will try to observe something. That is nothing is there. So this for loop came to an end. Okay va? Okay. கடைசியா டெம்ப்ல என்ன ஸ்டோர் ஆச்சு சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Yes, கடைசியா டெம்ப்ல ரிச்சார்ட் தான் ஸ்டோர் ஆச்சு. So it will print temp means it will print Richard. So that's why if I run this program means it will tell you Richard. That's all. So hope you understand. Thank you very much.